So I first remove the negative cable from the battery. Then I'm gonna remove this box. The box has 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. Then you remove the box from one end here and from here. Next will be the air filter housing or the box, and it has 1 bolt here, 1 bolt there. So let me try to point out. Use my so 1 bolt here, 1 bolt there, 2, and I think there are more, but we'll see. Then we remove this plug. This hose, after I remove these 2 bolts, it's still stuck, so I think I need to loosen these here. The light is in the way. Loosen this one. Yes, this one. This one I'm touching. This one. This. We'll see. So this is the throttle cable. And the way to do that is it should go like that. You need to first remove the slack. Then it go here. This groove. And after you have this, go like that. First comes here like that. Yeah, like this. Now you need to remove it, so remove it like that. Okay. Now we're gonna move the brackets, 1 bracket here and another bracket here.